Hello, I am David W. Parker. This is Programming Today I Learned, episode 86 in the WebGL series. Today we're going to be looking at each object with its own blending. So just like the last couple of episodes with own textures and own programs. So let's jump right in. As you're going to expect, the blending code is now derived within the draw function of the cube object. So we can see we have this new hasStateBlend, and if we're going to check if we're in the render mode, we're going to go ahead and disable the depth test and the blend, and then set the blend source and destination and equation. Otherwise, we're going to enable the depth test and leave on blend. And our initialization of the state is here. We're going to expect a blend source, a blend equation, or blend destination. Otherwise, default them to the func add source alpha and 1 minus source alpha. And render mode is render by default. And you can see here we're going to have a few different cubes. We're going to go ahead and set this one to gl.1 for the blend, and same with this other cube here. Those both have textures on them. And this is a textured one that does not have any blending. And I believe that's it for what's going on with blending. We still have a little bit down here. We're going to go ahead and turn it off before we put everything to the draw or the read state so that we have proper rotation, and turn it back on and have our draw state for afterward. So let's go ahead and jump and look at it. So you can see here we have our texture cube here without blending. We have this blended cube here. You can see through it, as well as this blended cube here. And then we have these cubes on either side which don't have any blending on here. Now this is good and all, and this is really, really nice, but one thing we need to be aware of is that if you see here, this cube obscures the blended cube even though the blended cube is technically in front of it. So this cube is obviously, you can see there behind, so that's definitely something we're going to need to look at in the future. But for now, we have each cube with its own blending turned on and off. That's it for this episode. If you like what you saw, go ahead and give me a like and to subscribe on YouTube. That'll help me a lot. Share on social media if you will. Go to ProgrammingTIL.com and sign up for my newsletter. Have a great one. Thanks.